which I have not frequented in weeks. I think I'm gonna sign up for Orange Theory when I'm in Pennsylvania though, because I don't really want to do a gym membership, but I would rather like do a class, and Orange Theory is just like better for my lifestyle. Wow. Also self-tan last night. You can probably tell I messed up my hands. Look at that. Messed up my hands a little bit. Nah, but they come off so quick. The rest of my body looks really good. I'm like a natural tan. I use the Josie Maran Argan Liquid Self Tanner. Mariah told me to get it, and I really, really like it. I like it better than Saint Tropez because it doesn't break out my face. It actually leaves my face looking better, I feel like, than when I started, which is like crazy. Is that weird? That it doesn't break out your face and it's like, I don't know, that's crazy. Yeah. And my mom's making us veggie burgers for a little late lunch, and then we're doing nails. I have to go to 2 Bottle Bargains to get some Tito's.
Priorities.
You know. Honestly, it's good though that I'm getting it because then I can bring it to Pennsylvania, so I have like something in the house. Oh, we have to bring wine.
Wine from down here?
Yeah.
Well, come and get it.
Okay. Okay. I'll bring a bottle of Pinot, bottle of Chardonnay. I don't really like red, but I feel like it's classy to have a bottle of red. Okay, I'll bring 2 bottles of Chard, 1 Pinot, and then where is the red?
Hold on a second. If you're taking more than you're leaving, take the bottle. You know what I mean? So this way, we could...
I just don't want to like regret not having it, you know?
No, I'm into it. Bring it. I'm not suggesting that. I don't want you to...
Okay.
I don't want you to break in the transportation.
Okay. What is that? It's always like the cider. I tried it once. I didn't really like it.
I know, but now you're 21.
Oh, exposed.
This is
We're of course watching QVC because my mom's life, and veggie burgers, tzatziki, like sauce stuff that you get from Costco that we love, and avocado.
Tzatziki, not sauce.
very exciting. Tell us about it.
But it's like a sauce.
Love this oven.
Okay, whatever. Just got our nails done. What did you get? Oh, you got a pedicure?
And a massage.
And I got S&S, which is what I pretty much always get. And then I actually used my Sally Hansen polish on my toes. And it's like a 2-step gel. I just brought it with me and asked them to do it. I feel like it's gonna last a while. It's like an iridescent color. It's kind of different than what I would normally get, but...
Yeah, it's like on the sheer side of your toes, but it's cool.
It looks different in the bottle, but it kind of looks like, oh, I don't know, it's like reflective and cool. And then you put the top coat on it and you don't need a heat lamp or anything. But I like doing long lasting polish on my toes because I feel like then it lasts like really long. You don't have to do anything.
My white polish was, oof, it barely lasted.
Yeah.
I guess white is hard, right?
Yeah, white is really hard. I got white S&S and it didn't really last that long, so I got a light pink this time for the workplace.
Work environment.
Yeah. And I think I'm just gonna relax now and then...
Go ahead, Tom.
I was thinking about taking a nap, but just because I have to go to my friend's house at like 8.
I suggested it. I'm not judging.
Okay.
You go, girl.
Hi guys, so I actually I ate dinner, we got Chinese food, it was amazing. I told you guys I got my nails done, and then my mom and I watched, because it was on Freeform, Toy Story 2, and we just started Toy Story 3, but it's already 7 o'clock and I have to get ready. I decided to take off my makeup and just start blank and do kind of a modified get ready with me, since everyone's been asking about like random things, mascara I use, face makeup, so you guys know everything's always linked down below. Basically, I'll link everything down below if you're interested in purchasing, and I'm just gonna go through it super quick because I'm really not that great at makeup in the slightest, but you guys know I got you. Starting off with my Trader Joe's moisturizer. I always start off with moisturizer no matter what. Trader Joe's Nourish Intense Oxidized, blah, 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 suitable for dry and normal skin. I think it's like the only moisturizer they have there, and it's literally $6 for this whole bottle. It's very thick, but I feel like it replaces a primer for makeup, and it's so much cheaper than a primer, so like you might as well use it. Yeah, I used to use primers, and then I just realized that I felt like they were doing nothing, slash really just sitting on my skin and like clogging it up, so I just decided to switch to moisturizer, and my life is so much better now. Now for foundation, since I'm going out, I'll do full face of foundation. Otherwise I would just do like powders and like concealer, but Fenty Beauty foundation. The winter, I upped my shade for the summer, so I'm in shade 220 now. I used to use 210, but since I like self-tanned and stuff, I probably should be this. This is like a fake beauty blender. Not fake, it's the Real Technique sponge. I don't really have a preference on like sponges. I kind of just use whatever I have around, and I happen to have this. Dab that into my skin. It really it photographs so well, it looks so good on video. The only thing that I have to say that's bad about this foundation is that it kind of oxidizes, so you put it on and then a few minutes later it gets like almost like darker, like a different color on your skin. So you just have to like let it set in for a moment before you put on everything else on top. Once again, not a makeup artist. These are just my tips from using these products that I feel like I've learned, because I don't really tend to switch up my products a lot. I tend to like use the same stuff. I just said I'm gonna try to do one layer, but I didn't pump enough onto my hand, so. I really like this foundation because I feel like it's thick and it like covers and stuff, but at the same time my skin looks like skin. It doesn't look like super fake. I always use NARS Creamy Concealer. You guys know that. So I do that on blemishes, like areas that I want to cover more, and under my eyes. Mostly using it under my eyes right now. I need to shut that closet. Now instead of using setting powder, we're going to do kind of a variety of 3 different powders. First being my Too Faced bronzer, because I'm tan now. I'm gonna use this pretty much all over my face as a setting powder, but like light, because I don't want to be like too bronzy. But I definitely take this down the nose, up on the forehead. I'm using a bronzer brush. Not very neat with my makeup in the slightest. Always that nice and defined. And then I'm gonna use the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Dim Light. Love this guy. And this is like kind of like a highlighting brush, I guess. Contour brush it says. But I always use this also on my nose to accentuate like the tip. Up the cheekbones like that. And then just kind of all over that I didn't hit with my bronzer. NARS blush is broken in half, but I just use the NARS Orgasm blush like everybody else on the planet. And just put that right on my cheeks. Just like that. Eyebrows, very simple. I just fill them in with my IT brow pencil. This is the IT Cosmetics brow pencil, and it's a universal color, so you don't have to worry about it. But honestly, I just brush them through and that helps a ton. Just lightly fill them in. I don't like anything too aggressive. I just feel like it doesn't match. I always do the tip though, because I feel like doing the tip like does a lot, kind of. Go in more. What else? Okay, now for eyes. Let's prime them up. Urban Decay Primer Potion. I just did my eyeshadow and I've never done it like this before, so I just decided to not show you guys how I did it. But I used all colors in the Peach palette, specifically this one, Peach Pit. It's very dark, but Stila liquid eyeliner. Just a thin line on the top. And now I'm doing my favorite mascara of recent times. Well, first I'm curling my eyelashes. This is from, I don't know what brand this is, but it's something. Always curl my lashes, no matter what. Mascara. This is the Milk Kush mascara. I just heard a lot of good things about it. I like how heavy it is, and I really like the brush. So I just feel like 2 coats of this and you're set to go out. I like it for every day. You can do, like, you can really build it because it's kind of wet. That's what we have. Oh, and then for lips, I linked this below in a recent vlog and a lot of people were interested. This is the Je ne sais quoi, probably pronouncing that wrong, by IT Cosmetics, and it's basically a clear lip thing, but it goes on your lips pink. It's so weird, but I love it. And it just creates this little light pink color, but it looks so cute. And it's so weird because it's like totally clear, but it makes your lips look so. And that's it. I feel so like light and fresh. So it took me less than 20 minutes, even with doing all the foundation and all that stuff. And yeah, I feel really good about it. Okay, so my outfit is really nothing crazy. It's this tank top that I ordered off of Toby. It's a bit cropped, but the pants are really high, so it's fine. Fashion Nova jeans. Belt is from Verge Girl Forever Ago. I just always wear it. My big oversized Levi's jacket, you guys know I love, so I'll leave the link to this down below. I just feel like it's really cute for summer, like throwing it over like a more like tighter outfit like this. It makes it feel like more summery, I don't know. And then this is a necklace from, it's called Love Gypset. They changed the name or something, I don't know. It's from one of those stores. And I think that that's it. I can show you in the mirror if you. It's a bit cropped, but like I said, the jacket will hopefully cover it up when I'm like walking around and stuff, so I don't look terrible. I'm just wearing my Steve Madden slip-ons because I didn't really feel like wearing heels, and it's a more casual night, I feel like. So tank top is actually super flattering, so I would recommend getting it. I'm not wearing a bra. I know that's a little TMI. It's really comfortable, so I would recommend it. I'll try to leave that link down below too. Channel. Today we are on the road again, officially going to Pennsylvania. Woo! We have a loaded car.
We really do.
Yeah, this is like a lot of stuff.
And we have no man on the other side to
lift it all into the place for us. Yeah, it's gonna be an interesting
I'm gonna
time.
get my steps in, girl.
Yep, for sure. And what are we doing? We're gonna go to Dunkin' first. We have like a 3-hour drive ahead.
Well, hopefully it's 3.
Luckily for me, on the car is Wi-Fi, so I'm a lucky gal because I get to sit on my computer and be productive. And it's Memorial Day, so thank you to everybody who fights for our country. My mom said her favorite saying is "Land of the free because of the brave." It's a great saying. Yeah, thanks to everybody who fights for our country every day to keep us all safe and to let us enjoy freedom. And I start work tomorrow, which is crazy.
Yes.
Tomorrow at this time I'll be working. And now we're in this great shopping center in Westchester. Well, I guess we're a little outside of Westchester still.
Yeah, I don't even know what this is considered. We're closer to
King of Prussia.
Very close to King of Prussia.
But it's a great shopping center because it has like a Trader Joe's, our favorite salad place, TJ Maxx, Five Below. Even down there they have.
God, they have everything. I've gotten my nails done all the way, and there's a Panera, and there's a Chipotle, and all of it.
Okay, so what did we get? Oh, the lighting on you is weird, but yeah. What did we get? Farmhouse.
No pecans.
No pecans, instead egg and a roll.
White roll better than wheat. Technically on Weight Watchers. Now I'm sure you'll have people that will say wheat's better.
Everyone's gonna comment, I can't believe you eat white bread.
I can't believe you're putting poison into your body.
I like that.
Do you want it?
No. Nope. I can't even say that I like something.
I'm just asking.
We are getting, my mom is forcing me to get these. Well,
Doesn't even really
nice,
match, but
it doesn't matter though. We don't need this. She's just loves to spend money. These are good. And then
you don't want any cauliflower.
And then you have one for me.
Whichever you prefer, I would personally just buy ice bags.
it smells so clean out here. We have a cleaning woman.
A cleaning machine.
We moved everything out of the car and we had way more stuff than I personally expected, but it didn't take that long. We're doing dandy.
We're doing good.
It's actually good though because it's probably gonna rain, so we did good timing.
Yeah.
I guess I know we're still unpacking, but I'll save the full like what the place looks like for another vlog, but I'll just show you like a brief overview so you get the vibe. So it came with a TV, which is nice. I'm gonna deadbolt this door because you can't trust anyone. Came with a TV, but there's no cable, so yeah. But I don't really watch TV. I didn't put a TV in my room this year. Like, I don't watch TV. I only watch Netflix and YouTube. So this is the main room, and all of this furniture, I don't know if it came with it. I mean, I'm assuming that they brought this stuff. I don't really know, but that's what it came with. I really like these overlooking windows, and the kitchen's really nice and new, and Adina's going in on the cleaning. And hall closet. There's 2 bathrooms. There's the full one in here, and then another person's bedroom that they're not here this summer, the fire escape, and then my room. And we're getting going, but that's my bedding. That was from Bed Bath & Beyond, by the way. A lot of people asked about that because it's so cute, and it was like only $49 maybe, but we got it on sale for even cheaper, so love that. And I'm working on the closet now. We have a little bathroom in here, and that's basically an overview. And this girl, just for the record, is not here, so we're just like leaving her bed empty basically. Like, she left some of her stuff, but she's not living here. Like, the power was turned off, I had to turn it back on. So yeah, I like how naturally bright it is. It's really cloudy outside right now, but when it's sunny, it's super bright in here. And I'm gonna start putting everything in the drawers because I just cleaned it off with this wipe. And yeah, a mess right now, but we're getting stuff done. We're doing very well. My mom is vacuuming and things are getting put away. We connected to the Wi-Fi. She always insists on cleaning this for me.
It's like always covered with makeup or your fingerprints or... You wanna close this for a second?
I guess, but it needs to air out, right?
Yeah, but...
So basically it's been a whole day of fun here. Featuring Adina's cleaning skills because I have none. So
it's not that you don't have any. And you know what? You'll do it for your daughter one day.
I'm so sweet.
It's the truth, girl.
Well, I appreciate it, Mom. And we ordered food on Grubhub. My first time using Grubhub, but because I don't think they do it at home or even at school for me, but they do it here. And I think I have a code that gets you guys money off your Grubhub, so I'll leave that down below because it seems like...
Didn't you get a coupon code?
Yeah, I got a coupon code, so everybody likes a little referral bonus. It was so cool because I have the new MacBook. You can pay with Apple Pay, so I literally just like use my finger to check out. It's so, I love Apple Pay. Best thing ever. Apple Pay and PayPal, like honestly, I don't even need a debit card. I just need those two. So we cleaned, well, not we, my mom cleaned, I organized my room. The place is looking really, really good. Bachelorette starts in 25 minutes. I told myself I wouldn't get sucked into another season of it, but here we are. And it's happening because we don't have cable, but I just made the purchase and got, I'm trying the 1 week free trial first of YouTube TV because I'm anti-cable anyways because I watch everything online.
I know, you're a big kid.
But I want to keep up. I want to keep up with Bachelorette in real time. Sometimes I do watch the news, so I guess
we have to go out to the dumps before it gets too dark.
Ooh, what?
God,
What?
freaky! I gotta clean this.
Oh, you freaked me out, man.
Not good.
I'm sending my suitcase home with mom, and we have some trash here. It's been like a half a day process. I mean, a full day if you include driving here, but we went grocery shopping and stuff too, so.
Yeah. Don't get my butt. Please.
Alrighty.